They say love don't cost a dime, don't cost no money. Sometimes I be out of it, don't wanna see nobody.
Yeah, I know I'm good, but I'm getting better. Like wine, this could have been an...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ayana, aka the Curvy Barbie. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for subscribing. Don't forget to hit that like button. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. I have a little bit of a different video for you guys outside of my normal clothing and leggings hauls. And I wanted to share with you guys a product that I discovered off on Instagram. Actually, I was scrolling and came across this company. There was a girl with some thigh-high socks on, a thicker girl, you know, kind of like myself. And I thought they were so cute, so I clicked on the post, you know, went to their website, and I kind of was checking out their website. The company is called Thundathighs, which I love that name. So I was just checking out some of their products to see what they have, and they had a whole bunch of, you know, different designs of thigh-high socks. So I've in the past brought like 1 or 2 pairs from like Amazon or something like that, and I've always loved the way they fit on me. But I've also struggled with finding, you know, some that actually, you know, fit me, you know, are big enough pretty much to come up, stretchy enough to come up over my legs, and then also come all the way up over, you know, to my thighs. So I figured, let me order a couple. I just ordered 3 pairs. They were like, I think they were 28. I actually have the paper here. There's 2, I bought 3 altogether. So 2 of them was $28.50, which, you know, it's a little pricey, but not really. It's not, you know, too inexpensive, but it's also not too expensive, especially thinking about what you're getting. It's, you know, it's made specifically for, you know, like thicker girls, and it's hard to find a lot for us. And then I have 1 pair, and you'll see it, love them, that those were $30.50. So I also bought a belt. You guys will see that, and I'll show you what the belt is for. That was like $13.50. So the prices were not crazy, you know. So I think my total was maybe like $100, a little over $100. So I ordered them. Shipping came fast. Really nothing bad to say as far as that. And, you know, I got them and they fit amazing. So I was like, I definitely have to do a haul on these because I'm sure that, you know, there's some curvy girls that follow me, and I'm sure you guys would love something like this. Or, you know, guys that you have a curvy girl in your life that maybe you want to order some. Valentine's Day is coming up. These would be a great gift for that. So I'm going to show you guys what they look like on me, how they fit, how stretchy they are, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay guys, so this is the first pair. It's very much giving Christmas, and I bought them before Christmas, so it was definitely a nice, you know, little something to walk around the house in, you know, and still be Christmassy. And you guys can't really see all the way down. I'm gonna insert just like you know, like me showing the hole all the way down to the bottom, to my feet, so you guys can really get, you know, the vibes of how long these are. As you can see, they come all the way up to my thighs. They pretty much cover my whole thigh, which I love. They are extremely stretchy. I have even more room in them. So, you know, if you're a little thicker than me, then, you know, you still should have some more room to pull them up. I kind of did a test before I turned on the camera with my pants on, walking around in them to see if they kind of roll down, and they don't at all. They were really good. So that's always a plus. Now I will say that when I have on like shorts with them and I'm just walking around the house or something, they do roll down as I'm walking. But something that they have that is genius, and I'm happy that I bought it just to test it out, is a belt. And I'm going to show you the purpose of the belt with the next ones. So yeah, so pretty much that's it. So these, I just wanted to show you guys this pattern that I got. They have a lot of other patterns, you know, colors that you guys can buy. I wanted to show you guys, while I have these on, I meant to show you guys before, but how long they are, how stretchy they are. Like I said before, how they come all the way up. I also really like the detail of on the bottom of the foot. It's not on all of them because on these, it's not on the bottom of these, the foot of these, but it has just their little logo. I don't know if you guys can see that. It says Thundathighs on it, and Thunder is spelled with an A. I love that. So yeah, so it's just a, you know, a little cute touch. I love little things when companies do stuff like that. I also put all of their information in my description box below, so you guys can go follow them. I love their page. I love the, you know, just the inclusive, you know, environment that they have. They have, you know, girls that are, you know, curvier than me. They have some, you know, girls that are a little, you know, less curvier than me, but everybody, you know, has like the thunder thighs basically. So I really love that about this company. I'm happy that I found them. So I just wanted to share it with you guys. I'll show you guys the next one. And don't forget to let me know which one is your favorite in the comment section below. And yeah, I hope you guys like this one. Okay, so second pair is this navy blue material. On camera it's showing up a little, I feel like, lighter than it really is. It's definitely navy, which is darker than kind of what it's showing up as, I feel like. But anyway, as you can see, the same thing, same quality. They stretch, come all the way up. No complaints about them. I love them, I really do. As you guys can see, they come all the way up in the front and the back. More room, like I said before. Now I'm going to show you guys what you do when if you wanted to wear them with like some shorts. You'll see on the website, or on Instagram, you'll see some of the models that wear them with shorts. But I find that when I'm walking around with shorts on, with them on, they are rolling down, so we don't want that. So I got this belt, and I was very interested to see what it was for. But when I got it, it hit me exactly what it's for. It's meant so that they don't roll down. So basically, what you do is you put it around, and there's an adjustable like little thing, so you could just pull to fit the size of your thigh, basically, and then you just snap it into place, and you put it right there at the top. Then you kind of pull up a little bit, and you could just leave it like that, technically. Just walk around like that. Or if you want to hide it, you can roll it down. I think I saw the models do that. You could even probably tuck it under, you know, so that it's even more concealed. I will say that though, that it is a little, for me, you know, like I said, I'm very, you know, thigh heavy, and it is like in the back, pushing in a little bit into, you know, my thighs, but I don't think, it's not really uncomfortable. But I just wanted to let you guys know that. But like, as you can see, you can't really tell. Now it's shorter, so I will do the other one also, and then you just walk around with them on. and you don't have to worry about them coming down. These are the final pair and my favorite pair. I'm not sure if it's coming up on camera, but there are jewels on these, and that's kind of why it's my favorite pair, because it's very sparkly. It might look like it's just white on camera, but I'll do a side image, a close-up, so you guys hopefully can get what these are giving. I also feel like these are longer than the other ones. I think these might be 30 inches. I think that's what I saw. Only because I know that they come all the way up to the top. If you guys can notice the difference, that they're all the way up here versus the other ones kind of stopped right here. So I'm thinking that these are longer, which I love. Yeah, just all the same thing. I'm not sure. I haven't washed these yet, so I'm not sure if the jewels will come off. So that might be a little bit of an issue, but I'm not positive. I can't tell you guys yet. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know it's probably going to be a little shorter than my normal hauls. It was only three pair. But I just wanted to bring this on and show you guys because I really love them. So everything that I get, you know, I feel like I want to show you guys too, share with you guys. So don't forget to hit that like button if you like this type of video. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Help us grow this channel. And I hope to see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.